Hey guys, how y'all doing? Yeah, I hadn't made a video in a few weeks. I've just been really busy. But I had mentioned possibly making a generator out of one of these little stepper motors. Surprisingly, these things make a lot of volts. Each leg here, which is hot in the ground, well, not really, they don't have a ground. It's just a load and a, what am I trying to say? Anyway, let me see. It's hard to get these things separated. Yeah, each one of these is like a positive and a load because it's a magnetic motor, so you really don't have a ground. But anyway, one of these, I spun it with a drill just to see if it worked. I got up to like 63 volts, which kind of surprised me. Yeah, I made one over here, if you can see it, but it was an older one, wasn't that good. I mean, it does good, about 48 volts, I think. But I don't know, it's not as good. I had found this one in a box, old parts from where I work at. Anyway, each one of these legs, which is two, makes about 63 volts. I mean, that's as fast as that drill would go, but look at that, that's odd, isn't it? But yeah, this is a complete magnetic. I'm not sure. I guess each one of these is a separate pole from, so you got 1, 2, 3, 4. So yeah, I guess each one of these energizes each leg, but it comes up to over 240 volts if you run every one of them. It's crazy. Anyway, I just wanted you to see the inside of this thing. Let me make sure that there's a little round hinge or a flat washer in there, but it just goes in like that. Make sure that's lined up. Pretty simple. I don't know what I did with my drill. I just wanted y'all to see it. So don't throw these things away if you see one. These things would be great to make a paddle wheel generator in a creek. You could put some big paddles on it where it spins fast. And you could generate up to 240 volts or a little more. I don't know what it would total out at. I hadn't tried that, that's why I'm filming this. Oh yeah, I didn't finish soldering that one. Yeah, it's crazy. I'm always trying to find something that works. And with that one there, I tested and it was 60 or 63, and this one was like 58. These were a little different. I ain't know for sure. I'm gonna try to make this a way to turn the motor. It's got a balancer that goes on it. Hey guys, what I was trying to do earlier didn't work with that. I tried that with the little wheel thing. I just couldn't get it to work right. That button balanced and out of shape. But I put the sprocket on there. It seems to do good. Little stepper motors surprised me actually how powerful they are. Yeah, I hope this ain't gonna be too bright on the camera. I mean, those things are really bright. I was getting power out of these, but I don't think it's working right now, but I didn't worry about it. I got these other two leads, the load and the neutral. Anyway, the rectifiers, what I was trying to tell y'all yesterday, they're simple to hook up. Alternating current goes up into the middle, hot and ground, and then your DC side with a capacitor hooks on the outside. You got your hot and ground, or not ground. I keep saying that. The hot and the neutral, and you put your neutral side here for the capacitor, hot here. It converts the AC to the DC. You can run it off the AC side, but it'll flicker real bad. When I put the rectifier on there, it smooths it out and switches it over where it ain't flickering, and don't have to use as much. But what I was going to say, I seen up to 63 volts out of this thing on one side. I mean, if that's correct, I mean, you might be able to possibly get 240 volts out of this little thing if you can find something to spin it better. I don't got a good enough motor. I ordered one, but it ain't doing me no good now. But you spin this thing pretty fast, probably about 4,500 RPMs or so. I bet you could get 240 volts out of it, out of 20 volts. So yeah, that would be a good trade-off. See if it'll push this little fan. And I just stuck it on there a while ago. I hadn't tried it. That little fan takes a lot of power, or it does for something like this anyway. Let's see if she works. Oh, I done the wrong thing, didn't I? Yep, I sure did. My bad. Yeah, all these wires can get confused out of there. Let's see. I needed this one, not the one off the motor. Well, that's where's the hot? Now, let's try this again. You can hear the pull on that motor. You see that fan blowing good though. Let's see if I can turn it up. Yeah. Not bad. determined to hook that up again. Yeah, I'll run all of it. I just wanted to show y'all that. These little stepper motors are straight out of box generators. I mean, I know some of these are expensive, but for some reason they didn't work. I'm never going to throw them away, but I don't think they worked as an AC motor no more. Whatever was wrong, but they work fine for a generator. If you see one of them, like this little one right here, I just spun it with a drill a while ago and got 30 volt out of it. And that's 2 sides, so that'd be 60 volts. And that was a slow spin. You'd probably get more than that if you got something to spin it up there, but anyway, you can see those capacitors holding the charge. Thing's still glowing. That's all I wanted this week. But yeah, don't throw these little things away. I mean, like I was saying, it'd be great for little wind turbines or little paddle wheels for creeks. If you was going camping, it'd power everything at your campsite. You get it in a good spot where it spins pretty good. That's a pretty slow spin there, and it's putting out, I think, like 60 volts at that slow spin. But yeah. Well, anyway, thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe.